very similar to the church that
Mhm.
was used in Grable.
Oh.
Now this, nope, not here. Right there, there it is. That's their new church
Oh, there.
back in there. It's very, very nice. And here comes a sign that says what it is.
Yeah, apostolic. They got a-
so this is and that's a beautiful.
Wow.
The apostolics
Yeah.
say no food
In the
is
sanctuary.
allowed in the sanctuary.
Yeah.
And so you see, this is a building over here on the left
Yeah.
and a building on the right.
Yeah.
The building on the right is the fellowship center, okay for food.
Okay.
So you can go over there, and that's
Yeah.
where they'll have meals. They have a meal there every Sunday,
Yeah.
and they eat over there.
Okay.
The church part, the building here on the left,
Yeah.
is the sanctuary.
Ooh.
And so this is where
Like,
they worship.
Like most holy place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And many, and I don't think this church uses any kind of instruments.
Okay.
They do not have an organ. I don't think they have a piano. I don't think they use any instruments at all.